Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shalita Nicole and I'm just being me. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, let's get into it, y'all. It's snowing!
Oh, what a gift you've given. Grateful for life I'm living. Feels like a new thing.
Boots on the ground.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. It's snowing. Walking in a winter wonderland. So guys, I am heading to the grocery store. We were supposed to be going to get some food, but we might be eating at the house, honey. It's Sunday and I'm excited. I love snow. I'm ready to get in the house, put my Christmas pajamas on, and y'all know how that goes. Let me get in the store. This may not have been a good idea, guys. Look at the story. Oh, Lord. At least I just need a couple things. Oh, my God. I don't need no milk. I don't need no bread. I got that at the house. Good morning. Hey y'all. Happy Thursday. So it looked like today is gonna be a free day. I say that because they're shutting our power off today at the salon literally all day. We got a last minute notification like last night. Where they do that at? Like what? So I gotta get some stuff done. I have to take my other car to the shop. She'll be gone for a few days. I think I might go get me some flowers today. I went to the store last night when I left the shop because we're supposed to be getting a snowstorm tomorrow starting around 12 p.m. I believe. So I'll be working tomorrow morning, but I also have clients scheduled for tomorrow evening. And I'm like, okay, you know, Jesus. So, yeah, so I also have to figure out where I'm going to put my other clients. It's probably more than likely going to have to be sometime next week. They say that we're supposed to get several inches of snow. I love the snow. I just don't like ice. I don't like power outages. So, yeah. So I got everything, you know, that's needed from the store. Nothing like super major, just to make sure that we good. Running with my mom a little bit. I need to go to Costco, get a rotisserie chicken, because I'm gonna do a homemade chicken noodle soup, but I'm just not gonna, you know, cook the chicken. I actually was trying to find chicken breasts at the store last night. They ain't had none. They ain't had none. Y'all, it's just so much going on. Like in North Carolina, period. Like with us being in a week of the new year, our city has experienced 5 homicides. 5 homicides. 5 homicides 7 days in, or 8 days in the year. The new year. 8 days in the new year. What is going on? What's going on? So sad. Like, what in the world? But all we can do is pray. All we can do is pray. And then my thing too, they cutting all this power off. It's not just affecting our business, like it's affecting residents. It's affecting like, let's talk about the elderly people. Like, if they don't have a way out of their home, or if they don't have a way to go or a place to go while they're shutting the heat and stuff down, y'all, and it's cold. It's cold outside. Like last night literally felt like 2 degrees, negative 2 degrees outside. Freezing. Right now it's like 18 degrees. It's like, it's not even 8 o'clock yet. And it's freezing. It's so cold, you know? So definitely prayers for the people that it affect. Yeah. So I'm gonna get up, take my little shower, see what today is gonna bring. At this point, y'all, content is content. And so I just feel like I have to just really get back on it. I enjoyed my break. I needed my break. But, you know, as I consider things worthy, I'm going to put it out. But it's like, bruh, just put the stuff out, okay? Just put the stuff out. But, y'all, like, I am marked safe from the Brahmin sale. So I got a notification from them. I got a notification from Brahmin, you know, my little email. Hey, you have early access, blah, 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 blah. I've already made it up in my mind that I don't need, not now, another pocketbook. I don't. And plus the one that I do want, it's not even on sale. The Limelight, it ain't even on sale. If it was on sale, I definitely would have gotten it, but it's not on sale. I went on there, I looked. They had some tempting buys, but I was just like, what's the purpose? What's the purpose? What's the point? So, yeah, here we are. I'm about to get up, y'all. Today would be a good day to go get some breakfast. I want to get back and, I guess, watch some clothes. I could come back, watch some clothes, and just actually make this day worthwhile, you know. I could lay in the bed and watch TV, but I did that all on my time off, honey. Y'all ever seen Prison Break? That's a good show. Now I done got to season 3, but season 3 is kind of questionable. I'm only on episode 3, but I'm just like, dang. So anyway, we'll see. But yeah, I done put that to the side a little bit for right now, but let me get up and start my day.
System is now disarmed. Front door open.
So guys, it's Friday. It's 3:30 p.m. So I have been to work and everything, left early because our little snow is coming. Y'all, it's snowing again, and you can hear it falling. It's very babyish right now, so what we gonna do, y'all, is we gonna keep an eye on our snowfall. But I am so excited, y'all. I love snow, and we got some snow. As you can see, I am nice and cozy and comfy in my house. I'm about to cut my little shows on. that's what it is, y'all. So my plan was to get some content this week, but it ain't really worked like I wanted it to. So there's always next week. I'm gonna open my window up so I can see the snowfall. Open my little curtains and things. I'm gonna let February be my January 1st. But y'all, if you are being affected by the snow and by the weather, y'all be very safe. Stay warm. I am just about to really enjoy myself. We are claiming Mason Baby 2025, okay? That's what we claiming. So the hashtag is Mason Baby 2025. I don't care what I do, if I'm putting on an outfit, if I'm doing Fashion Friday, if I'm doing a vlog, hashtag Mason Baby 2025. That's what we doing. Okay. So y'all, I'm getting off here. Hopefully next week will be a better week for me to vlog. I've had a lot of things to go on this week, but vlogging was not a part of it. Okay. What is my husband doing? Gerald, what you doing?
Saving money.
But hand him over. Give him here. Mace.
These work shoes.
No, I'm throwing that away. I'm buying you some work shoes. Give me some shoes. Gerald, when you go to sleep, I'm throwing them away.
I'm asleep in them.
No, you. All I know is that when you go to sleep, I'm throwing them away. Somebody help! Let me see the bottom. We're ready for it. Y'all, good morning. So it is Saturday morning. We got some snow, but it's really babyish. We could stand some more, but it's out here, y'all. Check it out. Y'all see the snow? My husband's car is gone. My other car in the shop. And Bertha just chilling. About to go up in here and make me some pancakes. And some bacon and some eggs. I ain't going nowhere today. I got everything I need right here in the house. I ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna put a load of clothes in the machine. Ooh, it's cold out there. Put a load of clothes in the machine. Fold clothes, watch TV, and eat. That's what I'm doing. Let me open this window. It's so sunny. Yesterday, it wasn't no sun shining nowhere. And now it's shining so beautifully. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna vlog a little bit, guys, and just put together all that I have for this week. It's not really much. But I'm going to try to do better next week. That's all I can say. That's all I can offer. You know what I'm saying?